What's up, YouTube? I am back. I don't even know how many weeks, months it's been. It's probably been like a couple weeks. I haven't uploaded mainly because Supreme has been dropping like stuff that I haven't liked, nor did I want to get to resell or anything like that. But I think the last week, the Hellraiser one, I just got a shirt. I could have had, if I had more money, I would have gotten more stuff, but as you can see, I have just a t-shirt, and then I have a deck. The deck is not Supreme. I do ride a Supreme board. I don't have it around me to show you, but I do ride a Supreme deck, and it's not bad. But let's get into the shit. Two box logos. I don't remember the last time I got two box logos in one order. That's weird. Did they have any special stickers with Hellraiser? There's nothing in there. Oh well. But yes, this is the Hellraiser tee. I don't think it's the right word for it, but let's open it. And yeah, this is it. And this is the tee. You have the pretty much the poster of the third one, the third movie. But you have the like Supreme box logo on like the cube. Pretty nice. Supreme. On the back, I didn't think it was gonna have anything, or maybe I did. I don't know. But it says Hell on Earth, and that's pretty much the tee. That's all I got from last week. Like I said, I didn't have enough money, but I'm good with that. And then this is dun 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 dun. Fuck yeah. This is the Primitive and Dragon Ball Z like collab, I guess you would say. And this is the Kid Buu, Majin Buu, whichever one you want to call it. I would say Kid Buu. That's just, I don't know, it sounds better to me. But yes, that's all I got. I didn't get any grip tape. As you can see, I did get it from Zubies. They did have a pre-order on the Primitive website, but I was too late on that. And then Zumiez had a pre-order on this as well. But on the Primitive website, they had it for an 8. I would have gotten the 8. Maybe I would have wrote it, like made a new setup, but an 8.5 it's alright. As you can see, let me bring it closer. It has like a holographic finish to it, almost like a Pokemon card. And this is Carlos Ribeiro. I know I chopped that up, but yeah, this was like a sick graphic to me, to be honest. They did have different characters on it on the back. So this is the top. Dragon Ball Z. And that's pretty much it. I don't know. I would ride this, but it's an 8.5, and I ride right now is a 7.75. If it was an 8, maybe, but This might go on the wall, or just, you know, hold on. Can't show you the goods. Oh fuck. But yeah, this is a Supreme board that I picked up not too long, or fucking like months ago, but I picked this up for a pretty decent deal. Okay, hold on. And that's pretty much it, you guys. I'll see you guys next time.